Hey, it's Gareth and Janet here, and we're in Belize, of course, and this is Terminal 4. So this is where the water shuttles are. 4, 3, 2, 1. Princess, we're on the Caribbean Princess. It happens to be on 1, the water shuttle. So we're going to walk through this and let you have a look at all the shopping and bars and restaurants it has to offer. Oh, and hair braiding. You think I should get my hair braided? And it said it was messed up. Oh, coffee and chocolate too. These look like belts and purses or clutches or whatever you want to call them. Cigars, liquor, t-shirts, 3 for $20. That's US, I believe. And now we're going to get out of the air-conditioned building and walk down this semi-covered walkway. And they're going to play music really loud so that I have to share royalties with somebody else. Maybe the Bee Gees, right? But anyway, it's the way it is. Restaurant bar. Bob Marley. We had a drink that's called a Bob Marley. The wet lizard. Pelican. Beer and Belize. Wet lizard. More music, more bars. More stuff. Tour boats, tender boats, water shuttles, the whole shamir. I gotta go around these people. Drums are moving slow. Coconut bar. Jungle gift shop. So like I said, we're in Belize. Belize City, Belize. And the ships have to drop anchor way offshore because it's so shallow here. Diamonds International. Ooh. Got some swings here if you want to swing. If you're a swinger. Terminal 2. So we passed 3. I didn't point it out. 2. You know, you could have several ships out there. Today there's just 2. Carnival Dream and our ship, the Caribbean Princess. Piranha Joe, Island Outfitter, Tanzanite International. One of these things. That must be the Carnival ship getting on there. And I see a water shuttle waiting at our terminal, but I don't know if I'm going to make it in time. I don't even know if Janet's going to make it in time. It looks pretty full, which means another half-hour wait. But anyway, in case you get lost, Terminal 2, 3, and 4 that way. So this is a Diamonds International boat. I don't know where it goes or what it's for. But anyway, another bar, more music, more swings, more shopping. It has it all right here in the port, including a drink of water.
Hello, sir.
Here's one, please, sir.
Right.
Grazie.
Thank
you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
When the time the boat will leave?
So here we are. Christian's going to give me this. It's ice cold and it's wet. So, is this going to hold any more of us?
third business morning.
So we got a medallion. We're going to touch it on that thing and it's going to turn green. Ray? Come on. Red? I'm not there. Why is it red? Thank you. I've never seen it turn red.